in this video, I want to show you how to fix in case your LG TV has a blue tint. This one doesn't have it, but if you have the problem, you definitely notice a huge difference. I'll show you a few different tricks on how to get rid of that. So the first thing I always suggest when you get any problems with your LG TV is to go ahead and disconnect the TV from the power outlet. So over here, this is my LG TV. I will simply unplug it. All right, and leave it like this, okay? While the TV is unplugged, you're gonna find the power button. On this LG TV, the power button is located right under the LG logo. Maybe your power button is over here or on the other side. So you're gonna keep press that power button during 30 seconds. Even if the TV is unplugged, this will simply drain all the remaining power from it. All the power that is in the accumulator. After 30 seconds, you can release the button. And you can go ahead and reconnect your TV. The TV may turn on by itself, and after doing this, fortunately, you will not have any blue tint anymore on your LG TV. If you're still having an issue, let's go to trick number 2. So for trick number 2, you're going to take your LG remote control, even if it's not looking like this one, and you're going to go into the settings. On this one, it's the cogwheel button right over here. Once the settings opens, the first option over here should be picture mode. Select this and you'll be able with the remote, okay, left and right, to choose between different pictures mode. So go ahead and select another one than the one you're currently in. And you're gonna see that the image changes every time you switch from one on or the other. Sometimes the image gets warmer, sometimes darker. And just by doing this, you can see if you can get rid of that blue tint. If you're still having a problem, go down in this menu until you go to Game Optimizer. Select Game Optimizer and make sure that this is turned off. Sometimes this small feature can cause problems. So by turning it off, we're just making sure that it's not causing the blue tint. So if you're still having the issues, I still have 2 different tricks. So the first one is to go on the back of your TV, and if you have an HDMI cable connected, maybe a PS5, a DVD player, whatever it is, all right, maybe the problem is the actual cable and not the TV. So I suggest if you're having trouble, let's say with this blue tint while you're watching a movie from a DVD or maybe when you're playing some games, go ahead and replace the HDMI cable on the back of your TV. Take another one just to make sure and roll out that the problem is not the cable. Over time, these go bad and can cause this kind of issue. And finally, actually, I still have 2 tricks. I don't know why I said that last time. Okay, it's to go into the settings over here and we're gonna update the TV if there is an update pending. So once you're here, you're gonna go in support, software update, and over here if an update is available, it will say an important software update is available, download and install. Your TV needs to be connected to the Wi-Fi, and fortunately after updating you won't have the issue. The last thing you can try is a factory reset. This will delete absolutely everything from your LG TV. And how do you do this? Well, in the settings, instead of going in support, you're going to go in general. And from here in this menu, you're going to go down and select system. And then you're going to go down and select reset to initial settings. You'll have to enter the password of your TV over here, press OK again, and the TV will factory reset. It will be like brand new. And fortunately, after doing this, you will not have any blue screen anymore. If one of these tricks worked for you, I want to know, so leave a like down below, but also comment. Comment if you have any other tricks, comment if one of these tricks works. I want to know, as I said, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe as well.